1944 swing dancing from a British newsreel. A little swing dance from down under. Let's get right into it. Woo! Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Street Smart Swing. My name is Jamin Jackson, also known as the Galactic Swing Dance Umpire, and I'm super excited to be scrutinizing another vintage clip. But first, make sure you subscribe and headbutt that notification button so you never miss a video from me ever again. Can't wait to watch this clip, so let's get right into it, and I'll give you my thoughts right after.
Finally, a test down under, a jitterbug contest in Australia. In jitterbug language, the zoot suit right in the groove, a solid set of threads. But they're all barrel house, which in ordinary language means free and easy. Yes, distinctly. She's always getting in some man's hair. Get a hep chicken and let's cut a rug. This is the only place where you can throw a woman around and get away with it. Our cameraman says you don't have to be crazy, but it darn well helps. Hit him, mama, with a box of snorters. What a life. What a wife. What a lot of that there. Now come along, folks. What are you waiting for? Let it go.
Wait, it's over? That was pretty good. Kind of an abrupt ending. I will tell you, watching these clips, this particular one is very reminiscent of some of the swing dancers that I personally know today. I have to do like a double take to make sure it's not some of my German and Swedish friends that I see swing dancing. I will tell you right now, the funniest part of this clip is like one of those foghorn leghorn moments.
Hey, any of this getting through that little old blue bonnet of yours?
Yes.
Well, woman, blink your eyes or something. Gee.
The guy literally said something that would not slide today. He's like, this is the only place you can hit a woman and get away with it. Wait, what? Boy, times have changed. It's really interesting. What did you guys think about this particular clip? Did you like the swing dancing moves? Was it a little corny to you? Did the black and white just kind of take you right out of it? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't started swing dancing yet, I encourage you to check out over 20 of my free swing dancing courses below. I spent over 10,000 hours to demystify how complicated swing dancing can be so that you can learn how to do it right there in your own home. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it and subscribe. And if I don't see your comments below, hopefully I get a chance to see some of you in my class online. Take care.